Yeah, darling, I know it's been hard. Let's make it a little easier for you, shall we? Take a deep breath and sigh the light from this place into your body. Inhale light and sigh it all the way into your body, filling your body with light and feeling how it feels to inhale light and sigh it into your body. Oh, exhale it into all of the parts of your body that want to experience more light now, more expansion. Inhale light and sigh it all the way into your body. And feel how it feels to do that for yourself. One more deep breath. Anchoring this light into your body. And feel how you feel now. Let me know in the comments if you're feeling any better, any more relaxed. I love you so much.